Meet the Dual Lithium Tamping Picks. This little powerhouse is perfect for tamping after clearing and sieving. Works great on all kinds of railroad lines. Perfect for tamping ballast on new tracks. And handy for daily maintenance too. It's lightweight, super easy to handle, quick to lift and lower, and really simple to operate. Here's what it packs. Power, 1.8 kW. Battery, 24 A lithium pack. Weight, just 18 kilograms, including the 1.2 kilograms pick tip. Excitation force, 4100 N. Vibration frequency, 136 Hz. Protection grade, IP45. Overall size, 1050 by 345 by 450 millimeters.